Hi friend, did you know colors can change how we feel? Welcome to Play and Learn with Kyla. Today we are going to learn about colors. Red can make us feel excited. Blue can feel calm and peaceful. And yellow is bright and happy. Let's learn about colors together. Colors are everywhere. We see colors in nature, food, toys, and even the sky. Can you count the colors you see in the rainbow? Did you know, a rainbow has 7 colors? And when you mix colors, you can make new ones. Artists use colors to create beautiful pictures. They mix colors to make new shades. They use bright colors to show happiness, and darker colors to show night or calm scenes. Blue and white can make a sky. Green can show trees and grass. And red can make things stand out. Do you have a favorite color? Now we're going to show different colors of paint on the screen. Can you name all the colors? Let's go. We call this color red. Can you say it? Let's guess the next color that appears on the screen. We call this color green. Can you say it? Now, pretend to paint your hand green. Get ready to guess the next color. This color is blue. Say it out loud. Yellow. Did you get that one correct? The next one is going to be hard. Are you ready? We call this color orange. Can you say it? This color is called pink. We call this color purple. Can you say it? Now, let's all pretend to paint our feet purple. Well done for learning about colors. Are you ready to look at the screen and say all the colors that appear? Don't worry if you get them wrong. You can always try again. Let's go. Orange. Green. Yellow. Blue. Purple. Pink. You did a great job, but we've still got one video left, and you will see more than one color. You need to shout out all the colors you see. I see yellow. I also see red and blue. Can you see any other colors that I might have missed? Well done for playing along and learning all about colors. Now that you have learned all about colors, you can go and create your own artwork using different colors. If you're unsure about what colors to use, that is okay. As long as you're having fun. You can always ask for help from your teacher or a grown-up, or even go and look at the object you want to draw and see what color it is. Great job learning colors today. I can't wait to see what you're going to create using colors in your next artwork. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you soon.